Hi Manoj, two quick questions for us. One, we have just concluded third edition of Industry Samurai Conference and Award, and being Zeiss as one of the gold partners, I wanted to ask about your whole experience the last 1 week and about the award ceremony.
Yeah, so I'll start with the award ceremony today. Okay, to be frank with you, when we started this whole process with you, I was kind of looking into what would be how it would pan out. There was always a kind of a gray area around our mind, to be frank. Today, at the end of the session, I felt really good because of two reasons. One is this is one award ceremony where I saw a emotional connect. I saw the people who are receiving the awards. I saw the ground level people have come onto the stage, and they were receiving the awards on various segments, and they were so there was a lot of pride in what they have done. There was a lot of connect to what was the problem they solved, and there was a big sense of happiness. So I feel very proud that probably I feel very nice that you guys have selected the right people, and also seen that they have come onto the stage and they have got their recognition. So from that point of view, see, there is an emotional quotient in everything. What Indians do. So I think you have kind of brought an emotional element to this award ceremony. So I think that makes it really good. For the second part of the question, when we started the journey and what you have been seeing in the last 1 week, we were part of two sessions which we promoted, and I enjoyed both the sessions. The EV discussion topic with senior leaders in the industry also went very nice, including some government people had joined. We could pass on some messages about how the industry could evolve. That was a nice session. There was a second session done within our group along with Mr. Anand. So that also, I think we had a nice flavor generated in the session. So overall, our experience in the last 1 week for Samurai Awards 2022 has been exceedingly good, and we look forward to hosting it next time. God willing.
Thank, Thanks Manoj for all the support and because your backing helped us as one of the main sponsors who like the idea and the concept and give us a free hand, go ahead and be supported wherever it's needed. Now I wanted to go to my second question, since we are in the year end and now everything what we are thinking is 2023, and industry's biggest event Imtex is scheduled from 19th to 25th of Jan. So I wanted to ask, what all are the new, is there any product launches, what all you are exhibiting? If a visitor is looking to planning to come to the show, what they can expect at Zeiss booth, and what is the message for the visitors who want to come to your booth?
Right. So yeah, so Imtex, as you know, is a grand event. What goes on? What I would say to the visitors is, please come prepared with your uh, challenges and problems what you're facing. See, we are, if you look at the last 18 months of Indian industry, we are doing exceedingly well. You look at any industry, machine tools or cutting tools or any industry, we are doing very well. So what is important today is to be more agile, and for agility you need solutions. So please come with your problems, and in our we are present at hall 2B, stall number 101. Please visit us. We would have, the equipments are going to be probably similar, but the equipments have been tuned to perform and solve a lot of industry problems in automotive, electronics, consumer electronics, additive, electric vehicles, batteries, and so on. So please throw your problems at us. We will have our team of experts sitting who will guide you. So don't come with to look at new equipments. Come to recognize and see new solutions what you can get from us. Thank you. See you there.
So I one question hit me, what is the new thing, what marketing, what is the new idea what we are doing? Because I see last 8 months in terms of brand, I have seen Zeiss at most of the conferences, most of the events. The strategy has changed. So since what are the new things you are doing? Because I see a total branding shift, or you can say approach of the company. So a lot of new initiatives. So what is the idea behind it?
Okay, so I think I've been telling this few times. When we look at the Zeiss logo, the people from the industry would recognize us as a coordinate measuring machine manufacturer. So, in fact, there were some exceedingly good comments. Exceedingly good comments. If I have to share, some senior colleague from the industry mentioned that. I mean, I'm just repeating what he said. God made us, God gave us eyes, and Zeiss has given us a detailed vision into metrology. So that was a kind of honorary stage where our company is kept. So what we want to tell the industry is, you see us as CMM people, but we are much more than that. That is the reason why we are now, spreading our wings into the market, because we are industry agnostic. If you talk about a sensor making company for the microphone, we might have a solution. If you talk about oxygen exhaust in the oxygen sensors in the automotive industry, we would have a solution. If you talk about composites for aerospace, we have a solution. If you talk about additive, so we are industry agnostic. This is not very well known. Uh, we start from nanometers using our microscopes, and we go to measure meters of dimensions using our CMMs. So we still have a lot of ground to cover in spreading the message that we can be your partner in various avenues. So that's the reason why we are doing this blitzkrieg of marketing activity.
Happy New Year
Thank you
2023,
very
and
much.
look forward to meet you at Imtex 2023. Do visit Zeiss booth at Hall 2 at the show. Thank you.
All
Thank you.
2B101.
Hall
Thank you.
2B101. Thank you.